So it is Tuesday night, and Daredeviler has still not soft opened. I do promise you guys it was supposed to. We have talked to like upper management and all that. Daredeviler was supposed to be ready as of late last night, and then it was a potential for today. There has been some minor delays going on, and it is about 8:39 p.m. right now, and they're going up. They've been heavily working on the motor up there. So I'm getting a little nervous. That is an evac platform that's put up right there. They're working on the chain or the motor for the lift hill. So that's a pretty big project to be working on a day or two before the ride's official opening. So fingers crossed that we're not looking at some delays here. If so, Wonderland has like the best maintenance team in the industry. After going to Kings Island and Cedar Point, I can full on like vouch that if any team was to get a ride up and running, it's Wonderland's team. So we'll keep you guys posted. It's not looking good for tomorrow. So if you are planning a trip around it, I would potentially wait until Thursday, July 23rd before you make your way out here. Unless they're going to be working all night. But this ride won't be ready first thing in the morning either, I don't think. I am going to pop in first thing in the morning just to give you guys a little update if need be. But yeah, unfortunately, it's a little sad right now. I'm sorry. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.